Hello, I am Elizabeth Abraham. I am here to explain my compiler6 experiment, and the sixth experiment is like the function of the assembler. So we are using here pass1 and pass2. So let's go to the program. The program, like we are getting input, we are getting the input from the user, like the code, the normal program code, and then we have to convert it to object code. So what we are doing is, like, first of all we are making three test files, as you can see here, op table and program text. This is the program, copy start 4000, LDA alpha, LDA beta, 6 gamma. So this is the program, and okay, let's go to the program now. This is the starting, and we are creating two buffers, two file input, like file readers. We are using file handling concept over here in Java. So first of all we are reading the program text, and we are writing something to the inner text. So once we run the program, we will get something in the inner text first of all. Then after that, what we are doing is, like, we are start reading the program text. In program set, if it contains start, then we will start doing what is, like, we will split the words. And after that, what we are doing is, like, if it is not end, if the line does not contain ends, then we are updating the pass1 symbol update. That is a function which is declared later in the program. We are writing the op table, we are writing something in the inner table actually. So the pass1 symbol update, you can see here, the definition is over here, and we are doing something like we are splitting it again, and we are seeing, like, if the rating is containing the match from A to Z, or else what we are doing is, like, we are writing the label exists before, or else it is an invalid label. And we are finding it is a word. If it is a word, then we are plus 3. The LC value is given as plus 3. If it is a reserved word, then it is 3 into the LC word, and if it is reserved byte, then we are doing just adding it with the LC. So that is the pass1. And okay, so now here we are pass1 symbol update. So we are writing, if it is come to an end, that the start program comes to an end, then we are writing it. So writing to the intermediate file actually, that is inter.txt. And then next we are reading from inter.txt, and we are checking that if it is a start, then the header should be header notation should be coming with H and symbol, H cap symbol, and the test should be like T cap, and the end should be E cap. So we are doing the necessary statement over here, and we are converting to 2 hex string array, because we have to get in hexadecimal value, not in integer value. So we are converting whatever it is there, we are converting into 2 hex string. Then if it is an end also, we are converting that value to 2 hex string. So if it is not a head or end, then it should be T, that is text. So in text, what we are doing is, like, and also the other thing is, like, it should be a 6-digit value. So that is why we are having another function called 26. You can see it here. We are converting it to 26 because we need we have explained, we have made that word, that function we have declared the function later in the program. So we the main function of this function is, like, we have to convert it into to a 6-digit number. So that is why we are using here 26. Okay, and then we are writing the value. And here also we are checking whether it is a reserved byte, reserved word, or a word, or a byte. So if it is case of reserved word, then we are multiplying it with 3, and we are adding the value. Or else if it is the reserved byte, we are just adding those value. And if it is a word, then we are adding it with 3. So as we have seen this pass1 symbol table before, and now we have to see that ready op table is also there, like when we have to read that hash table. Okay, then this is the pass2 actually, and this is the 2,6 function. As I've said, if in 2,6 function we are adding zeros to it to make it as a 6-digit number. So let's try. Yes, we have seen here the output. So H is this one, like this is the header, and copy is the name of the string, and we are calculating. You can see that it's 6-digit it is there because of the 2,6 function. And intermediate file, we'll check the intermediate file. So this is the intermediate file. It will just divide it, and after intermediate file only we are converting it to two string file, string. And in LDA, STA, and LDA, STA, we are using the corresponding object code, and that we are declaring here. So you can say like STA 23, LDA 00, and STA 45, and output is shown here. So that's all about the assembler. So we are mainly converting the language to the object code. Thank you.